To make this super delicious banana bread, we're going to start by mashing 3 ripe or overripe bananas. And we're going to preheat our oven to 325. And you can use a fork for this. I just felt like using my whisk. Now we'll add the vanilla, the coconut sugar, and the Greek yogurt. And we'll mix that together until it's combined. Now we'll add the coconut oil and an egg. And we'll mix again. Now we'll add the oat flour, the whey protein powder, the ground cinnamon, and the baking soda. And we'll give that a good mix to make sure the oat flour and the whey protein has been incorporated well. Now we'll add the chopped nuts. I prefer pecans, so that's what I'm using here, but walnuts or macadamia nuts would also be good choices. And we're going to fold the nuts in, so that means we want to take our spatula to the bottom of the batter and then gently lift it and kind of fold it over the top. That way we'll get the nuts incorporated into the batter without being too rough on the batter. Next, we're going to spray our loaf pan with nonstick cooking spray or line the pan with parchment paper. And then pour the batter into the pan. We'll bake it for 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Then we're going to let it cool 10 to 15 minutes in the loaf pan on the cooling rack, and then we'll take it out of the loaf pan and let it cool itself on the wire cooling rack until it's room temperature. Then slice and enjoy!